Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the problem of differential equation. Question is given, solve the differential equation dy upon dx is equal to 2y tan x plus of y square into tan square x. Let's solve the problem. Given differential equation is, this is given by dy upon dx is equal to 2y into tan x and plus of y square into tan square x. And from here we can also write the given differential equation. This is dy upon dx and plus of 2y tan x is taken into left hand side. This is written as minus of 2y tan x is equal to y square tan square x, and dividing both the sides, dividing both the sides by y square, we get, from here we have to dividing y square, this gives 1 upon y square dy upon dx and minus of 2 upon y tan x, and here is tan square x. And from here we can also write in the form of, this is 1 upon of y square dy upon dx and minus of 2 y to the power of minus 1 tan x is equal to tan square x. We have to let here, let y to the power minus 1 is equal to v, and differentiating here, this gives y to the power of minus 1, this gives minus of y into y to the power of minus 1 and minus 1. Using the formula, this is given by x to the power n differentiation with respect to, this gives nx and minus of 1. So we have to use here, this is dy and this is dv, and from here we can also write, this is given by minus of y to the power minus 2 dy is equal to, here is dv, and from here we have to write once again, this is dy upon dx and this is dv upon dx. We can also write, this is dy upon dx, this is dv upon dx, and from here we can also write, this is y to the power of minus 1 is taken into denominator, this is y upon y square, 1 upon y square dy upon dx and is equal to dv upon dx. And from here we can also write, this is, here we have to write, this is 1 upon of y square dy upon dx is written as minus of dv upon dx, and we have to put here, this gives 1 upon y square dy by dx, in place of we have to put minus of dv upon dx, and here is minus y to the power minus 1, we have to let v, this gives minus of 2v into tan x, minus of 2v into tan x, and here is tan square x is already present. And from here we can also multiplying minus with both the sides, this gives dv upon dx plus of 2v tan x is equal to minus of tan square x, and this is linear in v, which is linear in v. And from here we have to find the integrating factor. Integrating factor is given by e to the, once again, e to the power of p dx, here e to the power of p is here 2 tan x, into dx. And we have to know that the integration of tan x dx is written as log sec x. This is written 2 log sec x, and with the property of log, 2 is power of sec x. We have to write here integrating factor is equal to here e to the power of log sec square x, and from here we can write this is integrating factor is sec square x. And we have to write the complete solution of the linear form of the differential equation. This is written as v into integrating factor, this is sec square x is equal to integral of q. Here q is minus of tan square x, and integrating factor is sec square x, and this is dx. And from here we can also let tan x is equal to t. Tan x is equal to t. So we have to write here differentiating. This gives sec square x dx is equal to dt. And we have to put here, this is given by v into sec square x is equal to, here we have to take minus tan x, in place of we have to let t, this is written as t square minus is taken outside, and here sec square x dx, in place of we have to put dt. Sec square x dx, in place of we have to put dt. And from here we have to integrating, this gives minus is outside taking, this is t to the power of 1 upon 2 to the power 1. And from here this is given by v into sec square x is equal to, here is minus of t cube. Here we can also take a constant when we have to integrate first time, and t cube upon 3 plus of c, and we have to put the value of t here. We have to assume this is given by v into sec square x is equal to, in place of t we have to put tan x, this is given by minus of tan cube x, this is tan cube x upon 3 plus of c. And from here we can also write, this is once again, here we have to write, this is written as v, we have to also put the value of v, this is v is given by, once again we have to let, this is v is equal to y to the power of minus 1 we have to put, and we can also write here, this is given by v is equal to 1 upon y. So we have to write here, this is sec square x, and in place of v we have to put 1 upon y, this is given by, and minus of tan cube x upon 3 is taken into left hand side, this is plus of tan cube x upon 3 is equal to c. And this is the required solution of the given problem. Thank you class, and thank you for watching.